Hello everybody. In this video we can talk about algebra of functions and composite function. Algebra of function. Algebra of functions. Let f and g be functions. New functions from f and g are defined as follows. Sum f plus g of x equal to f of x plus g of x. Difference f minus g of x equal to f of x minus g of x. Product f times g of x equal to f of x times g of x. Quotient f over g of x equal to f of x over g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0. If f of x equal to x minus 1 and g of x equal to 2x minus 3, find sum, difference, product and quotient. F plus g of x equal to f of x plus g of x. F of x equal to x minus 1. Substitute x minus 1 for f of x. Substitute 2x minus 3 for g of x. 2x and x are like terms. Add them. We get 3x minus 3 minus 1. Add them, we will get minus 4. F minus g of x. F of x minus g of x. F of x is x minus 1. Substitute for f of x. 2x minus 3. Substitute for gx. X minus 1 minus times plus minus 2x minus times minus plus 3. Negative 2x and x are like term. Subtract them, we get negative x, negative 1 plus 3 equal to plus 2. F times g of x equal to f of x times g of x. F of x is x minus 1. G of x is 2x minus 3. Now you multiply, we get 2x square minus 5x plus 3. F over g of x equal to f of x over g of x. F of x is x minus 1 over g of x is 2x minus 3, where x is not equal to 3 by 2. If you plug in back 3 by 2 here, it becomes 0. So any number over 0 is undefined. So x should not be equal to 3 by 2. Graph of function. There is an interesting but not surprising relationship between the graphs of functions and the graphs of their sum, difference, product, and quotient. For example, the graph of f plus g of x can be found by adding the graph of f of x to the graph of g of x. We add two graphs by adding y values of corresponding x values. Look at the three graphs. This is the graph for f of x. This is for g of x. This is for f plus g of x. Look at one point. F of 6 equal to 4. Here g of 6 equal to 6. If you add the y values, we get 10. So at this point, f of f plus g of x means f plus g of 6, which is equal to 10. So we get the values of f plus g of x by adding the y values of f of x and g of x. Composite function. Look at the figure here. Here x is the input for this. Then the output will be f of x. This output is input for this. And after that we'll get the output f of g of x. This is called f composed with g, or we say f composition of g with x. The symbol or the notation for composition function f of g of x or f composition of g of x. Look at here, f composition of g of x equal to f of g of x, while f times g of x equal to f of x times g of x. So the composition of function and the multiplication functions are different. F of x equal to x square and g of x equal to x plus 3. F composition of g of 2 equal to f of g of 2, which is equal to f of 5. Here g of 2 equal to 5. If you substitute the value of 2 in g function, so we'll get 2 plus 3 is 5. So replace the g of 2 with 5. Now we have to find the value of f of 5. Now f of 5, this 5 you substitute in the value of f. So f of x equal to x square. So f of 5 equal to 5 square, which is equal to 25. Similarly, g composition of f of 2, g composition of f of 2. First we have to find out the value of f of 2 in the function f of x equal to x square. Here f of 2 equal to 2 square, which is equal to 4. Now replace f of 2 with 4. we will get g of 4. Now you substitute the value of 4 in this function. In the place of x, 4 plus 3 will give 7. So g composition of f of 2 equal to 7. F composition of g of x equal to f of g of x, which is equal to f of x plus 3. We know gx equal to g of x equal to x plus 3. Replace g of x with x plus 3. Now f of x plus 3 equal to x square, which is equal to x plus 3 square, by using product of binomial. So x plus 3 times x plus 3, we will get x square plus 6x plus 9. Now g composition of f of x equal to g of f of x, which is equal to f of x is equal to x square. So replace f of x with x square. So g of x square, now you substitute the value of x square in g function. So g of x equal to x plus 3. In the place of x, we have to write x square. So we'll get x square plus 3. G composition of f of x is equal to x square plus 3. Thank you.